fireworks aren't exactly the easiest thing to get into the state. So
into the country, yeah.
Oh, even into the country, yeah.
Yeah, well, I have a license to import an unrestricted amount of explosives into the U.S.
Oh, well, that's good. How much like documentation and permits do you have to be able to have a show like this in the state of Massachusetts?
We have to. We have a site, as I said, approved, and then we have to apply for a permit, and then we have to get that application in 20 days or more before the date of the show, and it goes to the local fire department. It gets signed off by them, and then it gets sent to the state and reviewed by the state. As long as there's no issues, then we're good to go. We get copies back and so forth. It's a little bit elaborate, but it's a process. You know, it's like anything else that you do. It's a process. I think you're going to enjoy what you see here. We constantly look for new product, things that we can get. I think you'll enjoy what you see here tonight.